Now this looks like an idea. So I'm going to use the text idea, and I'm not going to use shift to size this. I'm going to adjust it so that it can fit the size of the image that I want to use, and I want the word to be big enough to be seen, to fit the eyes for you. So I'm sizing everything without following the shift. Yeah, we agreed that any text object that you're using, let the image behind be coinciding to whatever you're doing. If it is an idea, we use the bulb thing to show it's an idea, it's a light thing, it's something that you're innovative about, so you're creative enough to do this. So I trust that this is okay, and I'm always loving this filter to just make it a little bit fancy, or just idea wise, to make sure that you want to check what is behind that. So yeah, that is done.